Part 1. Talk about myself. Hello, everyone. Welcome. I am Jess. I will teach you easy English today. Today, we start with the most important thing, talking about myself.
Hello, Jess. I am Mike. I am happy to be here. I will learn how to say my name.
Great, Mike. Let's learn the basic question. What is your name?
My name is Mike. I say my name.
Unit 1. Name, age, and feelings. Let's practice slowly. I ask you, what is your name? You say, my name is. Can you try it, Mike?
My name is Mike. What is your name, Jess?
My name is Jess. Good job. Now, age. How old are you? I am 30 years old.
I am 9 years old. 9 is a good number.
Ha! 9 years old. That is young. Now, let's talk about feelings. How are you today?
I am happy. I say, I am happy today. How are you, Jess?
I am good. Thank you. If you are not happy, you can say, I am sad or I am tired.
I am not tired. I am very happy. I know how to say my name, my age, and my feeling.
Unit 2, where I live and who I live with. Very good. Now, let's talk about where you live. The question is, where do you live?
I live in a house. I say, I live in a house in London.
You use in for the city or the town. Do you live alone or with your family?
I live with my family. I say, I live with my mom, my dad, and my sister.
That is lovely. We use who to ask about people. Who do you live with?
I live with 3 people. Mike, do you have a pet?
Yes, Mike, I have a cat. My cat is black.
I have a dog. His name is Max. Max sleeps in my room.
Unit 3, review and new phrases. Mike, let's put it all together. I am a new friend. What do you tell me about yourself in 3 sentences?
Hello, my name is Mike. I am happy. I live in a house with my family.
Perfect. Now, 2 more phrases. When you meet someone new, you say, nice to meet you. Can you say it?
Nice to meet you. Jess, nice to meet you.
And when you leave, you say, see you later.
See you later. I know how to introduce myself.
Excellent job, Mike. Let's move to part 2, talk about family. Part 2, talk about family. We talked about you. Now let's talk about the people you live with, your family.
I love my family. I have a mom and a dad. This is an easy topic.
Unit 1, basic family members. Let's start with mom and dad. Your mom is your mother. Your dad is your father. Do you have any brothers or sisters, Mike?
Yes, I have one sister. My sister is 10 years old. I don't have a brother.
You have a sister. Good. What do you call your mom's mom?
She is my grandma or grandmother. She is very old.
Grandma. And your dad's dad is your grandpa. Do they live near you, Jess?
My grandma lives far away. I see her in the summer.
Unit 2, Jobs and Actions. Great. Now, what does your dad do? The question is, what is your father's job?
My dad is a teacher. He teaches math to kids.
A teacher. That is a great job. What does your mom do?
My mom is a doctor. She helps sick people get better.
She helps people. Wonderful. What do you do with your sister?
My sister and I play outside. We play with Max. We laugh a lot.
Unit 3, Possession, Whose, and Review. Let's talk about whose things are. Whose book is this?
That is my sister's book. We add S to show possession.
Correct. It is her book. Now, a hard question. Who is the oldest person in your family, Mike?
My grandpa is the oldest. He is 90 years old.
Wow, 90. You have a great family, Mike. Now, let's go to part 3. Talk about my home. Part 3. Talk about my home. Hello again. You live in a house. Let's talk about your home. We will learn the names of the rooms.
My house is big. I have a bedroom and a kitchen. This is fun.
Unit 1. Room names. Where do you sleep?
I sleep in the bedroom. The bedroom is on the second floor.
The bedroom. Where do you cook and eat food?
I cook and eat in the kitchen.
The kitchen. Where do you wash your hands and take a bath?
I wash in the bathroom.
Unit 2. Furniture and objects. Good. Let's talk about objects. What is in your bedroom?
I have a big bed, and I have a desk to do my homework.
A desk. What is in the kitchen?
I have a big table to eat dinner and a refrigerator to keep the food cold.
Very good. Where is your book? Is it on the table?
Yes, my book is on the table.
Unit 3. The phrase there is, are. We use there is for one thing and there are for many things. There is one chair. There are two chairs.
There is one bed in my room. There are two windows in the kitchen.
Perfect. There is one bed. There are two windows. Now, Mike, where is your favorite place in the house?
My favorite place is the living room. I watch TV there.
Wonderful. You know all the rooms and objects in your home.